Welcome back to a new hair care video. My hair is super dry and long overdue for a hair mask treatment. Stick around and watch me deep condition my hair for the first time with a superfood called turmeric. Now the ingredients for this hair mask is virgin coconut oil, turmeric powder, honey, rosemary oil, and tea tree oil. The mixture of these ingredients can incredibly support in reducing split ends, hair loss, severely irritated scalp, and overall damaged hair. My hair needs proper nurturing after the mistreatment from well-known brands containing toxic chemicals. My hair is on the road of therapy, and what an excellent way in doing so with a turmeric hair mask. Now you want to make sure that you are combining the ingredients very well into a nice creamy paste like this. Turmeric is loaded with vitamins and minerals. The turmeric plant itself is called Curcuma longa and is mainly found growing in Southeast Asia and India. It's the root of the plant that is grown up to make the bright yellow turmeric powder that we all recognize. Here are proven benefits that turmeric is great for the scalp and hair health. Feel free to pause the video and read through the 11 benefits and why you should apply turmeric on your scalp and hair. Now before I do apply the turmeric hair mask on my hair, I do want to detangle my hair with the Easy Detangler brush, which I have a discount code for you guys, so you should go ahead and use it off of Easy Detangler website. So I found this pretty neat technique using the Easy Detangler brush when detangling my hair. So instead of brushing my hair like horizontally, I am actually using the brush vertically and helping me aid in detangling my hair. You'll want to wear gloves when applying this hair mask because it's going to get real messy real quick. Turmeric is a good source of vitamins and minerals, such as iron, fiber, vitamin B6, copper, and potassium. You should most definitely incorporate this hair mask into your hair care routine to grow back stronger and healthier hair, starting from the roots and down to the tips. It got really messy, like real quick. Like I have turmeric all over me, my clothes, the floor, the walls. It was orange everywhere. Please excuse my facial expression. I was just making a big mess, and yeah, big mess, big mess. The unique curcumin compound found within turmeric is the magic ingredient that can elevate and improve many elements in condition. Applying a second coat on my hair just to make sure it's getting deeply penetrated. The amount of mess that this turmeric did, jeez, like, that's all I can say is oh geez. But no worries, in just a few I will be revealing a great concoction, low maintenance to remove the stains. After the application, I did add a plastic bag and a head wrap towel on my head. So it wasn't by choice that I exceeded over an hour. I am a mother of 2 boys and I had to take care of them, so yeah. But look at that, my hair is really saturated with this turmeric. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out the mask with warm to cool water Then I'm using my scalp massager. Oh, this right here, you guys. You guys need to have one. And lucky for you, I have a discount code that you can go buy yourself one or two or three or whatever off a easy detangler brush. But this scalp massager helps with removing dandruff, any buildup in your scalp, in your hair, and also it's actually stimulating hair growth in your scalp. How awesome is that? Dude, look at my skin. I'm yellow. I'm literally a yellow bone. But anyways, now I'm gonna follow through with a herbal shampoo that I made and just lather up my hair to deeply clean my hair. I really do appreciate how much lather and slip that this herbal shampoo gave to my divine fro. Very appreciated because it's a mess going on over here. Like, ugh. I'm making a mess. Like, this thing. Oh my god. I'm making a mess. Like, it's crazy. The amount of mess that I'm making right now. The bathtub is yellow. It was white. Now it's yellow. This concoction has incredibly cleaned my hair clips, the bowl, the spoon, everywhere, even the bathtub. I even cleaned the bathtub with this concoction and it went back to white. Nice and clean, nice and clean. And here are the finishing results. I'm just whipping my hair back and forth, trying to get some volume. And I'm just fluffing it out some more. I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.